Hi, my name is Nikki, and I'm with Orange Auto Tag Agency. We help dealers by processing their transactions in a pain-free way so they can save time and money. Documented vessels. What you will need. You will need Form 87244, Form DR41C, and proof of the registration with Coast Guard, an official certificate issued by the Coast Guard, or any documentation showing that the documented number has been applied for. Form 87244, application to register a non-titled vessel. This form must be filled out in its entirety, including the documented number, hull length, and all of the purchaser's information. If any of this information is missing, this will make your transaction to be rejected. Form DR41C is used for vessels to report sales tax collected instead of submitting an itemized bill of sale, which at times may be confusing for the processing clerk. Form 82091 and an itemized bill of sale showing the sales tax paid must be submitted. If the trailer is purchased as a single unit, then the sales tax collected may be submitted and stated on Form 82091 for transfer. Proof of the registration with Coast Guard. The customer may provide an official certificate issued by the Coast Guard or any documentation that document number has been applied for from the U.S. Coast Guard website. If you need any forms or any helpful resources, you may visit orangeautotagagency.com/resources. Thank you very much for your time. Once again, my name is Nikki, and feel free to contact us if you ever need any assistance. And always remember, do it right or do it twice or more.